Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, welcome to my channel. Students, last video I will teach you number work. Do you remember? Okay. Now today we will solve problem set 8. Look the first question. 42,311 plus 65 lakh 36,624. Student, first step, draw the column unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now second step is this figure is set up this box. So first digit is 4. 4 is unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 4 is placed on 10,000. Write the 4 in bracket of 10,000. Okay. 2 is placed on 1000. So write the 2 in 1000 place. And 3 is placed on 100. 1 is placed on tens. And last one is placed on unit. As it is, next number 6 is placed on 10 lakh. So 6 is right here, 10 lakh. And 5 is placed on lakh. So 5 write in bracket of lakh. 3 is placed on 10,000. 6 is placed on 1000. Next 6 placed on 100. 2 is placed on tens and 4 is placed on unit. One plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 5 as it is and 6 right here. So answer is 65,78,935. Look the next question. Question is 3,17,529 plus 8,04,613. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 1 is tens and 2 is unit. So write here 2 and 1 is carry. Two plus 1, 3, 3 plus carry 1, 4. So write here 4. Five plus 6 is equal to 11. 1 tens, 1 unit, 11. Unit 1 right here and tens 1 is carry. 7 plus 4, 11 plus carry 1, 12. 1 to 12. Unit 2 right here and 1 is carry. 1 plus 0, 1 plus carry 1, 2. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 1 is placed on 10 lakh. Then answer is 11 lakh 22,142. Okay student, see the next question. 42,311 plus 65 lakh 36,624. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 5 as it is 5 and 6 right here 6. Now next question is 24 lakh 12,636. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 4 is right here and 1 is carry. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus carry 1 9. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 1 is right here and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 2 plus carry 1 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now next question, 4 plus 9. 2654 plus 71,209. 4 plus 9. 13. 13 plus 9. 22. Write unit 2 here and 2 is carry. 5 plus 0 5 plus 8 13. 13 plus carry 2 15. 5 is right here and 1 is carry. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus carry 1 16. 6 is right here and 1 is carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus carry 1 7. Answer is 7. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7 and 5 right here as it is 5. Now answer is 5,77,652. 5,77,652. देखिए प्यारे बच्चों, सबसे पहले तो हमें इस तरह का बॉक्स बनाना है जिसमें यूनिट, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख और 10 लाख ये प्लेसेस देना है। उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन है उसको यूनिट वाले नंबर को यूनिट में लिखना है, टेंस वाले को टेंस में, 100 वाले को 100 में, 1000 वाले को 1000 में, 10,000 वाले को 10,000 में लिखना है। इसी तरह 10 लाख तक लिखना है। उसके बाद उसको सॉल्व करते हुए बाय स्टेप जाना है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So 1 9 19. 1 tens 9 unit. 9 right here and 1 is carry. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 7 plus carry 1 12. 2 right here and 1 is carry. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus carry 1 10. 0 is right here and 1 is carry. 6 plus carry 1 7. 3 as it is right here 3. 1 as it is right here 1 and 5 as it is right here 5. Okay student, look the next question. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 13. 13 plus 9. 22. 2 is right here and 2 is carry. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus carry 2 12. 2 is right here answer column and 1 is carry. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 plus 1 19. 9 is right in answer box and 1 is carry. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 carry 1 is equal to 6. Now 0 plus 1 1. Write in answer box 1. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 2 is right in answer box and 1 is carry. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus carry 1, 4. Now answer is 42,16,922. ऊपर जो छोटे नंबर्स आपको दिखाई दे रहे बच्चों वो हमारे कैरी है, यानी हासिल है. नाउ लुक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 12 plus carry 1, 13. 3 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus carry 1, 13. 3 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 2 plus carry 1, 3. So answer is 33,33,332. Okay student, look the next question. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 6 is right in answer column, 1 is carry. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. Now answer is 9. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 0 is right in answer box and 1 is carry. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. 16. 6 is right here, 1 is carry. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 13. 13 plus carry 1, 14. 4 is right here and 1 is carry. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus carry 1, 11. 11, 1 is right in answer box and 1 is carry. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus carry 1, 12. 2 is right in answer box and 1 is carry. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Plus carry 1, 12. 2 is right in answer box, 1 is carry. 6 plus carry 1, 7. Our answer is 7. 7 right in answer box and 7 write the answer box as it is. So answer is 77,22,146. So student, look the problem set and write in your notebook. प्यारे बच्चों, आपको ये पूरी प्रॉब्लम सेट अपने नोटबुक में लिखनी है. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे.